What is going on, YouTube? I got a surprise unboxing here for you today. Well, I kind of knew about it and kind of never. But anyways, let's get to it. Alright, welcome back, folks. I appreciate you coming back again, hanging out with me. This company reached out to me. By the time you see this, it's going to be last month, it's still November right now. They reached out to me in November and wanted me to unbox, not unbox, but review a guitar of theirs. I said, well, there's no way I can do it this month, in the month of November. I said, the way my videos are run, they go up on Patreon 1 week to 1 month before they air on YouTube. And they're ad-free and stuff on Patreon too, no ads. Anyways, I said, you know, by the time the guitar arrives here and I do the video and put it on Patreon and let it run, and then there's no way it can make it to air on YouTube before November runs out. He said, well, it's not something about the advertising time. It would have been wrong anyway. He said, let's shoot for the advertising time. I don't know what he's talking about. Next month, which would be December. So that's what this guitar is for. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. And let's get it opened up. I'll get you and bring you over here closer, and we'll just have it. It's taped shut. The box is taped shut. Actually, when I turn it over to untape it or cut, it's what I'll do, and get rid of this, some of this other stuff, and then I'll bring you over here and turn you on, and we'll see what it is. I know what it is. I forgot about it, but I remember him telling me now, December, and I forgot, man. It just came one day, yesterday, I think, or the day before. Oh, there's a place in the box that looks pretty bad. Wow, I'll show you all that. Hold on. See this place in the box right here? That's pretty bad, man. It's not all the way through, but it's took a pretty good hit right there. This is where I peeled the paper off over here. That's nothing. That's just where I cut the paper off with the knife. But this, it's taking the hit right there. So that's probably the back of the guitar. And check this out. Let me back you off here a minute. Check this out, man. This whole entire thing that you see here should have been put in one of those big boxes like I have over there, and packed really good. The whole box, guitar and everything, put down in one of those over there, like one of those over there, and all kind of packing it around it. This is not a good way to ship a guitar. Listen. Wow, it's moving all over the place in there. So how you folks doing out there in radio, TV, YouTube land? We're supposed to get a terrible windstorm starting tonight. And the wind, I noticed a little while ago, it's picking up a little bit. Starting tonight, and they said it would blow for approximately 18 hours. 60 to 70 mile an hour wind gusts. Wow, man. I can't believe the kind of weather we have here anymore. Alright, should be able to just take it out of the box now. What do y'all think about that Copa? Have you read up on that? Read much on that, have you? Wow, that's going to shut some channels down, man. There's the tremolo bar. And cord. It looks like it's, I think I see a wrench. Yeah, there's the wrench for the saddles. Should be another one in there. One for the saddles. Yeah, there it is. One for the saddles and one for the, oh, what's it for, man? I can't think, baby. We just got in. It's been a long, rugged day. The truss rod, idiot. Alright, here's something. It's laying under the guitar. There's a strap. That pad looks like it's got a gig bag in there, right where it took the hit. I'm hoping that's right. Let me see if I can get this end of it loose first. What is it, man? Get on with it. I can hear you. I know what you're thinking, man. The only reason, let me tell you first, the only reason that I even accepted this guitar is out of curiosity. And you'll know why when you see it. Unless you've seen the name on the box. I wanted to see, well, for one, I got to review it. I'm not going to do that on this video. This video, I just want to check it and make sure it made the trip. And then I got to see if I'll do a review on it later. Not in this video. Oh man, I hate to tear it off the shit, but that's what's going to happen, I think. I'd kind of like to save that bag for guitars that I have to ship. Now, ain't no saving it, man. You can't save anything. Idiot for thinking so. So we unpack it the manly way. Alright. A good looking guitar. I don't know, where's the plastic? I thought it had scratches on that back cover, but it don't. It's got plastic over it. The hole in the box, you can't even see where it took a hit at. You can't see it at all. Very nice looking gig bag, looks like. Here it is. Let me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me get rid of some of this stuff. I'll bring you back. And we'll talk about it. I'll tell you about it. Alright. I forgot to mention I've got a cold, man. Yeah, it's funny. It went all winter last winter. Well, I was sick. You all know about that. Bad sick. Thought I was going to die. But I wasn't sick with a cold or the flu or anything like that. Not even a sniffle, man. Oh, she's not in tune. The reason I accepted this, I'm going to do a review on it on another video, but the reason I accepted it for my intention was to see, of course I don't know if you've seen it or not, it's a Glary. And the reason I accepted this challenge, I was curious how persistent Glary is with their setups. You remember that last guitar they sent me, Stratocaster? I had to do a setup on it. The nut action was way high, man. Way high. And I had to set it up. Let me tune it up. We will check the nut action, neck relief, and string action tonight. And that's all I'm going to do. And I'll have to do it again when I do the review on it. And we'll listen to it and get to hear it then. Them knobs actually feel pretty good. I'm not sure what this guitar right here exactly costs. I'm going to have to look it up. But it's probably about the same price as what the Stratocaster I reviewed costs. It's got 2 humbuckers in it, 1 single coil. And of course the tremolo. The action looks really low, but the strings are loose. Let me tune it up and I'll bring you back and we'll get them measurements. Let's tune this guitar up. Listen to this second string. I don't know if the camera will get, it might be hitting on that tuner. Now, hear that? Something going on funky either at the nut or back here at the saddle on that second string. There, it's like something vibrating. Alright, let's check the nut action first thing. I'm just curious where it's at. It was way above 18,000 on that Stratocaster. And I'm going to take a 10 and an 8 right here. And we'll check that first. 10 and an 8. That 18 goes under there. I'm not going to do anything with this guitar tonight, but first string's less than 18. Second's way more. And the third's way more. You can see the feeler's gauge is under the string. But the first string is less than that. Alright, I don't care what it is. I just wanted to see if it was high like the Stratocaster, and it is. So if you get one of these, you may have to set it up to your liking. Alright, check neck relief. I like to see 10 thousandths neck relief on my electric guitars. No clue what this is going to be. And that ain't the capo I usually use for this. So it's going to take longer to get it on. I'm going to move this up here. That way, if I put it up here, it might cause some sag in the neck and not get an accurate reading. And is this a 24 fret? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, it is. I never noticed that. 24 fretter. Alright, give me a 10 here. I never got my shit together, man. Come down to about the 17th fret and see what we got here to start with. I gotta get down here. I gotta get in close, man. My old eyes won't see it. Try right here. And that might be lifting the string a tiny bit. There's probably a little bit less. I used to check over here. Oh, well, before I do that, let me note on back here farther. No, it is 10. Exactly. 10 thousandths. Well, that's good. I won't have to mess with the truss on it. If I go with that same gauge strings, I don't know what they are. I'll have to get that off. We'll measure string action. Alright. String action. Just curious where it's at, you know, if it's anywhere near what the other guitar was. Oh wow. 6/64 on the high E string at the 15th fret. 6/64 at the 17th fret. 7/64 low E, 15th fret. 7/64 at the 17th fret. Eight 64s and 8/64 right on the money. That's about the 20th fret right there. Just curious. 12th fret. Still 6/64 at the 12th fret. So I can make this guitar play way, way, way easier than it would play right now. Beautiful guitar. Oh, I cut my glasses on the guitar horn. That happens now and then. I always put that around the back of my head if I'm running equipment. Yeah, man. It's a 5 selector switch. That would be this front pickup. I'm assuming that would be the front one, and this middle center single coil. Straight up's probably the single coil alone. That would be the single coil in this bridge pickup. And that would be the bridge pickup only. Should be, if it's wired up right. I'm going to next take the back off and see what those pots are. They feel good, man. Oddly enough. Hold on. So there you have it, folks. Like I say, I'm going to do a review on this guitar. I agreed to do it. And mainly I wanted to do it so I could check what we did tonight. And it is set almost identical to what that Stratocaster was when it arrived here. Maybe some people likes it. You know, when we do the review, we'll measure it and see what the nut action actually is. I know I'm going to work on that nut though, and shouldn't have to do anything to the neck relief. We definitely got to lower the string action, and it looks like the intonation might be right. No, I can hear it. I can hear it's out. The high E string is flat. The low E string sounds sharp. It looks like it's pretty well right there. Let me show it to you under that light. It's not a bad looking guitar really. There's the headstock. I can't see the camera, man. And we've got cords all over the place here, so I've got to be careful. Here's what the fretboard looks like. What do they call that? Shark fin inlay? Isn't that what that is? See, it's a really nice looking guitar. If we can get it set up if it's within setup range, it might be okay. For the price of these guitars, though, wow, man, you can't. I don't know. Like I say, I'll have to look. I'll look before I do the review and see what they're selling them for. But Lord, man, if you just want a guitar to learn to play on, or you're buying your grandson one or something, you might want to check them out. You know, I mean, they exist and they're legal. They're not like these fake Les Pauls are. You know. So look for that. Video's coming on it. A review on this. We'll check it all out. And I'm not going to set it up. I'm going to review it just like it is. But later, after that, I am going to set it up and make a screamer out of it. You know, if it can be done. Cheers. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video if the storm don't blow us away, man. They're talking pretty serious about that storm coming here. It's supposed to hit here tonight in the wee hours of the morning. It's probably 11 o'clock p.m. here right now. And it's supposed to start, the warning, I think, is for 7 a.m. And they said it was going to blow probably 18 hours, you know, at the most. That's a lot of hard wind, man. But if I'm still here, I will see you then.